to leave my house. It's, what, 3 hours and 7 minutes away.
It's 5:57 right now.
It's 5:57. It's 5:58, sweetie.
It just turned 5:58.
Well, to get coffee at this cute little coffee shop, and we were just driving and she was like, oh, look over there, and I was like, let's go. And she was like, seriously? I was like, no, seriously, like, let's stop over there. So we stopped over here. Until he got on me. Oh my God, sorry. It was cute until he got on me. Okay guys, so we're taking a break. I'm sweating and we're only at 1.5 miles right now. But we're getting to the top.
Oh yeah.
We are doing it. Like, I don't care how long it takes us. We're doing it. Guys, we're at Lookout 1 though. Oh, that's the yellow jacket. Up behind my leg. Isn't it beautiful? Well, something happened. It started raining. My Polaroid's in my backpack. Didn't plan for that. Huh. So, let's just hope that it's not ruined. Hope not. But hey, this feels good. Yeah. Anywho. Just so you guys know, we freaking made it.
Finally.
I'm tired. Honestly, it wasn't that bad. It's just very humid.
Yeah.
Like, ridiculously humid out here.
The rain definitely helped.
Oh my God, when it started raining, I was like, ah!
So good.
Bug, but I mean, it's honestly not that. It's
honestly, we're good.
We're good. We're good. Okay, guys. So we almost got struck by lightning. You know. Oh my God! I'm not kidding, guys. Like, we were like, let's just stop here for a second, and next thing you know, kaboom, kaboom, and we were like, nope, keep going. Hey, Swat, is it raining?
I don't know. Maybe just a little.
Why? Like, it's beautiful though. I just want to talk about this moment in time because it's amazing. We literally have been screaming just different like sayings and songs and anything that comes to the top of our head because we're on top of a mountain while it's pouring down raining, just enjoying life and Mother Nature, you know. Just a little update, guys! Everything is messed up in my bag. Goodbye, Polaroid. My phone's probably not going to work after this. Goodbye, Swat phone. Like, if my Polaroid is messed up, I'm going to be so freaking sad. And, you know, this is more important. But, like, guys, it is pouring. Like, it is pouring right now. I can keep wiping off the freaking lens. Well, we did a thing. We're alive. I took my phone case off, cleaned the water off that. Her phone's fine. My Polaroid, it works, but you can't see out of it, so I'm hoping I can figure out like a way to unscrew it and like dry it off or like maybe put it in a bag of rice or something. I don't know. Figure it out later. But we are on the way to find some food because we just want to sit down, dry off, and eat. That's all we want to do. But other than that, it was a really good trip.
Really good.
Really good trip. But we'll see you when we get food. Okay, guys, so
I'm getting out.
we made it home. We've been in the car for 3 hours.
My butt.
But we literally drove home soaking wet. Stopped and got Chick-fil-A, so that was great. But she kept it so cold in the car. I was freezing my little tush off. But we are gonna go inside and call it a day.
But it's still wet.
Yeah, my whole leggings are still wet. Like, anyways, bye guys.